Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 futures chart. Now the S&P currently finds itself trading at 4,137. We are off to swing highs for today's trading session. In fact, in the pre-market trading, just before the US markets opened, of course, we were trading all the way up at around 4,150. One thing that I am skeptical about in this market, and one thing that does keep me up at night, is that we do have a very narrow market. When I say a narrow market, I mean there's only a handful of stocks. I think only about 5 of the 500 stocks which have really, contributed to the S&P 500 trading where it is. That being as high as it is so far. And these are stocks like Nvidia, like Apple, like Microsoft, for example, Amazon, and Google, which have actually outperformed the market by some mile. So, that's definitely something that does worry me, because if these very small handful of stocks did start to roll over, we could potentially see, a very sharp move towards the downside. But, that being said, from a technical perspective, this market still looks intact. It still looks to me that we are going to go to trade towards 4,200. Nothing has worried me this week. There's lots of negative noise out there with the debt ceiling and many other factors, such as, are we going to go into a recession or not? Is the consumer slowing down? There's lots of noise out there, but the market is being very resilient to all of this, and that should be seen as a positive factor. I still believe we got to 4,200 in the coming trading sessions, and I feel like there's even the potential that we could break briefly above 4,200 to go and hit, let's say a price range between 4,225 all the way up to 4,250. I do believe that that's an area where we would run into some trouble, because of just above us, of course, we have those swing highs that we achieved back in August last year. Guys, if you would like to join my Signal team, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen with your mobile phones. It will take you to my website where you can then subscribe.